Hello and welcome back. Today I will be teaching you about the 5 different predefined data types in C++. First of all, we have a string data type. As you can see, the string data type is typed with double quotation marks, which is very important in this case. In string data types, we can type whole sentences. Secondly, we have the character data type as char. As you can see, the character data type is typed with the single quotation marks. Now this was the important point between string and char. For string we use double quotation marks, and for character data type we use only single quotation marks. For character data type, only one letter will be valid. If you put any other than one letter, like for example if you do AM or AA, then it will be invalid. Thirdly, we have the integer data type. It stores whole numbers like 42 and 18 and etc. Fourthly, we have the Boolean data type. Boolean data type only stores two values, true and false. True is denoted as 1 and false is denoted as 0. Lastly, we have the float data type. The float data type stores number values with decimal digits. Float can store up to 6 to 7 decimal digits. Double is the variation of float. It can store up to 15 and above decimal digits. Here are some output examples. We can also set the precision of our decimal points during output. For example, if I set the precision to 3 during output, our output will be for these two decimal variables 4.5 and 4.53. As you can see, for 4.53 it rounds the decimal value.